Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. We are doing a 50p run through of coins that I found in my change, raiding tills, raiding my friends' wallets and purses to find what coins they've got and whether I need them. So I go to all sorts of places. On this particular page, on this first page, what I need is the one coin that everybody wants from hunting, and that's the Kew Gardens. On the second page we start the Olympics. I need athletics, badminton, basketball, bocce, cycling, football, go ball, handball, judo, modern pentathlon, rowing, sailing, shooting, and whiff-waff or table tennis. Now you see some of them are handwritten. The reason for this is not so long ago we did a sports album that Change Checker tried to get all invested in, and they produced one for the Olympic coins. I took all my coins that I had in here and a few others that I had and started to fill the sports album. These three here are ones that I've taken from this album that appear in the sports album and that I don't currently have. Then if you carry on the Olympics, we've got tennis, we have triathlon, weightlifting and wrestling. And we have all the way through then until Diversity Built Britain. Now, I managed to get from the post office and my friends, or my friend who went to a post office, at face value, I got this off him. Let me just take that out of the way. And yeah, it's a Jubilee coin. It's the one with JC portrait, and it is a circulating one. He got a bag of 50p's for his business. He had 3 bags and he found 4 or 5 of these Jubilee coins within the bag. He knew I was a collector and asked me if I wanted a couple, so I took them off him in a shot, and he said I'll give you them at face value. So for £1 I got 2 coins, one of which was to go into here. Oh, he says that now goes into there to give me the 70th, and this second one here will be taken out of this particular packaging and will go into a flip and into my date run album. Now, with these particular coins, what happened was I mixed up some coins from my stash of coins when I did the Olympics. So I don't know whether they are good, bad or indifferent, these coins. So I'm just going to have to look through them and put to one side for future stuff, things that that are repeats coins. Right, 2019 Bunk Roger Bannister. That was one that I've had for a while. This is one from 1985, a Britannia, and it was one of the years that wasn't released, so I've had to buy that as a separate coin. Now, as I go through these coins, I'm going to see if I need them or if I don't. First one is a Isle of Man. Is it the 1995 one? No, it's 1997. Isle of Man. TT Races. That will be going in the back of the book somewhere. Now, do I need a Battle of Hastings? I don't think I do. (2016) wasn't it? Battle of Hastings. Yeah, I got the Battle of Hastings. Brexit. Do I need a Brexit? No. So that's another one that I don't need for the book. Diversity. Diversity Built Britain, no. Girl Guides. Now is that the original date? 2010, yep, it's one of the original dated ones. Not one of the 2019 50 years of the 50p. 2010, so it's just before the Olympics. Girl Guides, I have that one. 1066, I've got that one. Equestrian from the Olympics. Do I have that one? Equestrian from the Olympics, I have. Master Dan, do I have his coin? Taekwondo, yes I do. So I'll put the Olympics, gather them separately. A Peter Rabbit 2016. Peter Rabbit 2016 I have. A 2016 Team GB I have. A Diversity Built Britain I have. Paddington at the Tower. Paddington at the Tower I have. Paddington at the Station I have. That's one of my favourite coins. The Aquatics from the Olympics. So 2011 Aquatics I have. Johnson's Dictionary, one of the first of the coins to be produced, I have. Christopher Ironside. Christopher Ironside, I have. A 2016 Team GB, I have. A Paddington at the Station again, I have. A Paddington at the Tower, I have. Diversity Built Britain, I have. I have a 2019. I have a 2019 Shield. Why? Boxing from the Olympics. I think I've got this one as well. Boxing from the Olympics, I have. A Squirrel Nutkin from the first set of Beatrix Potter coins in 2016. Do I have a Squirrel Nutkin? Yes I do, so I have that one as well. Another Diversity Built Britain. Hey, another Paddington from 2020, Paddington at the Station, the first coin to come out. Another Squirrel Nutkin. A Mrs. Tiggywinkle. And I have Mrs. Tiggywinkle as well. And finally a 1918 People's Act that was issued in 2018, and I have that one. So out of all of these coins here that I have saved up over the past few months, or past few weeks should I say, the only one I didn't have in the album was this one here that I'll put in the centre, which was the Isle of Man TT races. That is an awful lot of coins to go through to find out you've only got one, and they're all commemorative apart from one. So it hasn't affected the book at all, except we're going to put one in the back of the book. Now on the back, in the back pages, I have Britannia's and Shields from 2017, and I have a Jersey Tower. Now I have also a 1997 Isle of Man TT, which can go into this book in one of the back pockets here. So that ends this hunt. There's some very nice coins there. I particularly like the Paddingtons, and also of course the Olympics. So the Paddingtons at the station of the Olympics I'm definitely keeping. The rest of these coins I'll make my mind up about as to whether I want to keep them or not. I would imagine quite a few of them will probably go back into circulation via me buying stuff. I hope you've enjoyed this hunt, and if you have, I hope that you will give me the thumbs up. You know, one of them. A thumbs up and say, yes, we enjoyed this one. Please comment below if you have anything you wish to say to me about this hunt and what I'm doing and the way I'm doing it. I hope that in the not too distant future we will be that you will give me the, as I say, the thumbs up. Hopefully you'll also subscribe to the channel and allow me to grow that channel, which is one of the aims that I have for this year. Until we meet up again, if you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. Unlike myself today on this one, on these 50p's. If you're buying coins, wherever you're getting them from, I hope you can get them for the price that you want to pay. Until we meet up again on this channel, I do four videos a week, so hopefully you can find something that you want to watch. Until we meet up again, thank you for watching this video, and ta-ra for now. Bye bye.